Hey everyone, Mrs. Peterson here. I am just going to show you how to use Library2go. I know some of our students have already logged on, but here's just a little tutorial. And so on your iPads, you will have an app called Libby. So you can go through there, or you can go on to the internet, Safari, and type in Library2go. And then it should come up with North Dakota Digital Consortium Overdrive. So when you see that, go ahead and select that. And it should take you to this site. And then over here on the right, click Sign In. And then you will need to select your library, and we are Oaks Public Schools. Oaks School and Public Library. So go ahead and find that, select it, and then your card number. So your card number is on that sheet I gave you of your passwords on the very bottom. The username portion is Oaks and then your lunch number. Okay, so you'd go ahead and type that in. So Oaks, let's see, 202915. Okay, and then your PIN is your is the password. And so the password is your first letter of your first name and then the first four of your last name. So then you'd go ahead and type that in. So I will go ahead and type this in just so you can kind of see so go ahead and sign in. And then this is what it looks like. So if we want to go to kids, and there's a bunch of books. Some are ebooks, so you can just read online. And then some are also audio, so they will read it to you. And it's okay if you don't have the physical book with you. You can totally just read it online, okay? So let's see. So I'm going to go to, let's see, not subjects. There is a way, not Kindle, if we go to Kindle books, then on this left-hand side over here, I can scroll all the way down and I can pick my AR level. So let's say I'm a 2.0 to a 3.0. I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to look. And some say waitlist, so that means you can't read it right now. But then some say available. So say I want to borrow drama and read it. So I'm going to click borrow. And I can borrow for 14 days or 21 days, however long I think it'll take me to read it. I think it'll take me 14. And then I will select borrow. So now I can, if you have a Kindle, you can log onto your Kindle, but I also can read it in the browser, so read it on the internet. So I can open it up, and it should be there for me to read it. So this is not an audio book, so it won't read it to me, but I can flip through the pages online. So this is just another option for you guys to access AR books. It's coming. Okay. Oh, it's having a little trouble loading. Let's try again. We'll refresh. And maybe this is an audio one. Maybe. Nope, it's just an ebook. So here it will say ebook, audiobook, what type of book it is. So my internet is being slow, but this is what it will look like. And again, the book will show up on here with the words and everything, so you are able to read it. Go ahead, give it a try, play around with it, find some fun, interesting books. Try to get one in your level, and otherwise just kind of look around and see what else interests you. And if you do want to place a hold, you will just have to go like, typically you have to type in an email address. Sometimes mine will show up, but if you want your parents to their email, it can go there, and it just gives you a reminder when the book is in. So yeah, so another site to check out. So let me know if it works, if it doesn't, if you need help, let me know and I will gladly help you. Have a good time, guys. Good luck.